Hello guys, my name is Angela Colon. I am going to be making carne asada tacos today.
My name is Santiska. We are making tacos with steak.
Go in, so go from the root end, right? That little stem, that little piece. Stick your knife in there, be careful. And then you're just gonna rotate your avocado around your knife.
It's mostly like your generic steak taco that you be having at Taco Bell, but way more fancy, more elegant, more tasteful, as you could say.
First, we had to cut up the mango, and we had to cut up all the things like the cilantro. There was cilantro, and then there was lime to go with it. There was all the seasonings we had to put into the salsa and stuff like that, and we had to get that ready. And then we made the steak.
Honestly, it's amazing. I've been here since I believe year 1, and it's been fun. You make a lot of new friends, and you get a lot of opportunities to go places and stuff, so 10 out of 10.
This little setup that you guys have, everything prepared, this is called mise en place, right? So this is just setting up everything, getting ready for the next step.
Future Ready program is a great program for students coming in to really get skills they need to survive outside of school and outside of their parents' household.
I was cooking carne asada today, which is steak tacos. It's steak with cabbage. It's basically like a regular taco, but with different things in it. What else was in there? Avocado, if you wanted to put in there, lime, some type of mango salsa.
There's a few steps. First steps we were doing were prepping our steak and making sure that it was prepped for anything, so we can leave it to the side and have it cook while we were cooking the ingredients afterwards.
Today I was cooking carne asada, or steak tacos with mango salsa. Yes, so first we marinated the steak. We marinated the steak in a mojo with a few other seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic, and we also made the mango salsa, a fresh mango salsa with mango, bell peppers, garlic, red onion, lime, a little bit of sugar, just to cut the acid of the lime, and we layered it up really nicely on a warm tortilla.
First, we had to dice up all our vegetables, our fruits, and then we made marinade for the steak. We marinated the steak for a couple hours, like 1 hour, and then we put it in a pan. We just cooked it for about 17 minutes each side. Then we took it off, diced it, and then we put on the tortillas that we heated up. and then we put all the stuff we had made, the fruits and vegetables, we combine those all together, then we put it on.
How to make a great taco. Also how to follow the instruction of a cooking instructor, because I never really had anything like this before. I mean, I have, but it's been a while since I have, so it's been a great refresher towards me.
I like it a lot, even though I don't come sometimes, like maybe like a few weeks. But whenever I do, I feel very welcome, so I do like it.
What did I learn? I learned that these kids are way more capable than I walked in here knowing. Their knife skills, their listening skills, they were prepared, so they made my job a lot easier.
We seasoned the meat, and it was like a lot of cutting. Like we had to cut the mango, cilantro, peppers. There was a lot going on.
I enjoy it. I enjoyed today and all that.
So I actually have a 14-year-old son, high schooler. So my thoughts for this dish were easy, fresh, but packed full of flavor. So I just wanted something that they were able to do, and I thought that this would be great. And what kid doesn't love tacos and steak, right?
I learned to be careful with a knife and not cut my finger. I like being here. Like, it sucks that I graduate next year and I won't be able to come no more.